Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to use TikTok videos as wallpaper. So first open the TikTok application. Now you are at the TikTok homepage. Here you need to tap on the share icon, tap on it. Then you need to scroll to the left side at the end. You just scroll it and you will have the option of set as wallpaper. You tap on that. Now to do that, you need to install this update for your phone. You just need to tap on install. You need to download this application, tap on install. With this application, you will be able to set the TikTok videos as your wallpaper. Now you tap on open. Here you tap on continue. Now first you open the TikTok for you to choose the video that you want to set as a wallpaper. I'm going to go back to my TikTok. Now this is the one. I'm going to tap on share, scroll right and tap on set as wallpaper. Now it will get downloaded at first and this will get moved to the plugin that you have just downloaded. Now here you just need to tap on set as wallpaper. If you are okay with this and you have the preview option on the right side, tap on preview. You will see how it will look. Then you tap on set wallpaper. Now you can choose whether you want to set this as a wallpaper or both home screen and lock screen. I'm just gonna tap on home screen. Wallpaper has been set on your mobile phone. Now if you tap on home, you can see the wallpaper has been added to my home screen. So this is how you can use TikTok videos as wallpaper. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.